My name is Noel Velasquez. I'm the President and CEO of Plant Mobile Technologies. I just want to share to you how I started this company or paano ko na-conceptualize itong Latin Classing company. But before I share to you everything, I've been doing network marketing for the past 20 years already. Then I get involved with health products, food supplements, vitamins, and even as well as beauty products. But unfortunately, sa araw-araw ho, sa daming kumpanyang pumapasok sa Pilipinas araw-araw, whether it's foreign or local, and they always introduce supplements or health products to a certain network marketing company. So dumating ang puntos, mga kaibigan, that napagod na po ako. Because naisip ko, I think we can carry or we can bring another product to introduce in the market, which is hindi po gaanong kilala in the network marketing industry. So nakita ko po is the telecommunication and technological aspect. Through that, I got also motivated na gawin itong company ito because of the certain product. But the billion-dollar question today is, we keep on buying all those telecommunication products for so many years, pero wala ho napupunta sa atin. Wala bumabalik. So ito naman, through Plant Mobile, we can provide you that. But bago mangyari yan, bago mo sabihin natin na ano ba talaga, Noel, ang babalik sa amin pag sumasali kami dyan, we need to tie up with the best telco company in the Philippines, which is actually Globe Telecom. Globe Telecom provide us a lot of product or a lot of department, or actually we call it a segment. A segment, for example, okay, we talk about prepaid segment or prepaid department, which we sell like the e-loading or the AMAX, all kinds of load. Second, we do business with Globe Business, which we sell like, we market also all kinds of product, telecommunication product of postpaid to small, medium enterprise businesses. And the third one, by the way, is we also deal with GCash, PowerPay Cash. It's a electronic wallet, by the way, which you can withdraw, you can pay it using your PowerPay Plus or GCash. So any supermarket or fine dining restaurant or even to your pharmacy, and even you can send it money from local or abroad. And there's a lot of products coming in also from Globe Telecom soon, which we're going to announce later. So our Globe Telecom has been doing with us for the past 9 months already. Okay, and if you notice, most of the people who join us because number one, they know the market is so big. I mean, if you compare the population of the Philippines is over about 90 million, but the cell phone users over 100 million. Why? Because every Filipino owns 2 to 3 cell phones. But the goal is, we just want to inform, or we just want to educate you as the consumer that instead of keep on spending money, pero walang buwabalik, why not be part of the program Plant Mobile at least? So, sa pagkakataon na to, meron akong babalik sa atin. So lumalabas, yung mga ginagastos mo sa load, or sa internet, or sa postpaid, lumalabas ho, libre. I think common sense naman siguro po yan. Lahat tayong mga Pilipino, mahilig po talaga tayo sa mga discount. Mahilig tayo magnegosyo. Yung nga lang, hindi natin alam na may negosyo katulad nito. That's why sa Plant Mobile, we always encourage everyone, do business with us. Why? Because sa maliit na halaga, pwede kang magnegosyo without any physical office. Because unfortunately, not all Filipino citizens can actually go to Globe Telecom and ask Globe Telecom na, Globe, pwede ba akong magnegosyo? But at least through Plant Mobile, lahat ng klaseng tao, whether may pinag-aralan o wala, o marunong magbasa o hindi, basta may pangarap sa buhay, gustong paturo, gustong matuto, then willing po kaming gawin yan para sa inyo. So, kailangan sundin lang po natin yung programa. Sundin lang po natin yung sistema. Kasi, that program and system that we are going to provide you is already proven and tested. Why? Marami na pong kumita. Marami na gumawa ng buhay dito. I'm proud to say for the past 9 months, or barely less than a year, lumalaki po ang company na to. We started in Cebu. You know the good thing? We pioneer this business at the heart of Cebu. And now we're expanding. We just opened our Tagbilaran, Bohol. We just opened a Zamboanga. And other cities will follow soon, like Surigao and Dumaguete as well, and Cagayan. And later on, it could be the whole Philippines we're going to expand. Mga kaibigan, hindi ko na po lahat kailangan i-detalye sa inyo. Baka kukulangin po ako sa video ito. Ang masasabi ko lang ho, kung sino man sa inyo ho, o nakakarinig, o nakakita sa video ito, ang interesado, una-una makipag-ugnayan po kayo sa tao nag-imbita sa inyo ito o nagbigay sa inyo ng video nito o kung saan mo man napanood. Makipag-ugnayan lang po din po kayo sa customer service namin at tingnan po niyo sa website namin yung www.planetmobiletech.com. Nandun po, and I'm sure our customer service ay willing po makipag-coordinate sa iyo at tumulong sa inyo. Sa mga gusto naman ho magnegosyo or willing makapagnegosyo sa amin ho, katulad sabi ko, makipag-coordinate lang po sa amin lahat at nandiyan lang po kami sa inyo para tulungan kayo. Kaya mga kaibigan, ang masasabi ko lang, sumali na po kayo sa amin. Napakalaki po ng market. At let's pioneer the Philippines. But the good thing, we're not just pioneering the Philippines, but we are going to pioneer world, by the way. So mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa papanood sa video nito. Ako po si Noel Velasquez. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.